Hey everyone, it's Laura from lauralondonfitness.com. Today I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite booty exercises lying on the ground. Yeah, you can work your booty lying on the ground. So we're going to come here. I call this little mermaid pose. Bring your knees in. You're going to extend one leg right out in front of you, and we're going to lift right here from the glutes, the hips. It's not about how high, it's about what you are feeling, slow and controlled. We're going to do 10. We'll do 10 of each exercise today. So ready? We're going to go 1, 2, my foot is flexed, 3, notice I'm going slow, and I feel it here, 4, and I hold it at the top for a second, 5, everyone's always in such a rush, 6, it's making that mind muscle connection, 7, you don't have to kill yourself, 8, hold it, 9, and 10, right? So that's one exercise. Obviously, you do it on both sides. The next exercise we're going to do is going to come here, quadruped on all fours. You're going to extend one of your legs back, trying to get all the way in the camera here. Flex that foot, lift it up, squeeze those glutes, tap it down. Lift it up, squeeze and hold, tap it down. That's 2, 3, 4, nice and slow, 5, you're going to feel that. Where? 6, you got it, your glutes. 7, 8, I'm only doing 10 of each, 9, and 10. Awesome. And the next exercise we are going to do, I call this over the rainbow. So again, we're going to bring both knees up. We're going to bring one leg out in front of us, and we're going to go over and tap down to the back. Tense your hand for support, and you're even going to feel this in your core. 2, 3, great for the hip, getting right in here. 4, 5, 6, 7, you got it. 8, now you're going to go back and do this on each side. 9 and 10. And you're going to get what I call a little fire or a little London burn there in the hips. Do a couple sets of that. Or you can see my computer monitor in the back. Yeah, maybe 15 on each side, and then repeat it. And you're going to feel that very, I call zone specific, right in the glutes. All right. Let me know how you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys again soon. I'm just testing everything out again. My microphone, my camera, but it's good to see everyone. Bye-bye.